how humans are growing now. Biological, the human cells are developing, the hands are growing, the eyes are, when we are small, the height are increasing. So biological, that we are human get changes inside from human body get changes time to time. है ना? All these things include biology. So even plants, tree, they have roots. Okay, they have all these have even trees. All of you know, if the big trees are there, so we are telling them that tree has a strong root. What we are telling, that tree has a very strong root. So how root affect the biological? See, when the tree grow, the root also grow. है ना? So while growing the roots, the tree will grow. So what happened? The roots come out, and if you see the old house, है ना? Old house. If you see the old house, very old house. So if you see that roots are there, some plants are there. We did not plant that thing, but through nature it has come up. How it has come up? Through if the rain is falling in the raining season, if you see the erosion form, है ना? Erosion, wind, through wind plants are moving from one place to another place, from one place to another place. If the air from through the wind, plant move from one place to another place. So what happened? The roots are growing. What happened? The roots are growing on the top of the house. The roots are growing on the top of the house, and new roots, and it get heavier day by day. It's heavier day by day, and it affect the rock. Okay, it affect the rock. Suppose you are holding a book. Teacher told you that collect all the class notebook, geography teacher or English teacher or science teacher, any one of you. Your teacher told, collect the notebook. One student, roll number one, collect all of the notebook from one to all the notebook, collecting and bring it to the bring it to the staff room. Okay, keep in the staff room. I will check and I will get back to you. So what you're doing, you can't hold 50 at a time, 50 notebook. It is so heavy. You can hold 20. Okay, at your age, you can hold 20 notebook at a time. But what you are doing, you are holding 30 or 40 notebook at a time. So what happened while walking? While walking, if you are walking, the notebook has fallen down. Some of the notebook has fallen down, or either you will fall down. Okay, you get slip. Either I fall down or notebook will fall down. So what happened? Because of the weight of the notebook is so heavy, I can hold till the 20 notebook. My capacity, what is my capacity? I can hold till 20 notebook. But what I'm doing, I'm holding 40 notebooks at a time. So I'm increasing my capacity. My capacity holding is 20 notebook. But I'm exceeding that thing to till the 40 notebook. So after that, the 20 or 10 notebook has fallen down. Why? Because of the capacity. What are the capacity? So like that, the rocks, even rocks has some capacity. That 10 kg, the rocks can, capacity of the rocks 10 kg holding. But 20 kg he is holding. The rock is holding 20 kgs. So automatically rock get destroyed, rock get broken, it get cracks, because of the capacity, holding capacity. So if you see the picture, if you can zoom from your side also, even I am zooming. See, the tree is there. Okay, one tree is there. What is getting? He is getting the water day by day and everything. The root gets strong, and after that, the branches get toward the top of the building, and if it affect the building. And if you see many buildings, what they are doing, the tree has grown. Now we have to cut the tree because it affecting the building. How it affecting? The branch is affecting the building. So we have to cut the tree because otherwise the people get affected. Otherwise it come in the house. the walls can get broken, or the mirror can the window get broken. So that's why we cut the tree, cut the branches of the tree. So if you see, that tree has grown. How it is grown? Through the rain is there. In the rainy season, it get lot of water, and it gets so many things through the air, sunlight. He is getting the photosynthesis, getting the food, all the things. So he's increasing, or he's growing day by day. And if he's increasing, he's growing day by day. No one is taking care of this building. No one is there. है ना? So because of this, the building get destroyed. If you see this green part, I marked there, that green part, we call algae. What we call algae in the rainy season. Now you can see algae. Algae means fungal. काई, है ना? We can say ना, काई लग गई है जमीन पे. Algae is there. Don't go there. Otherwise you slip. Otherwise you may fall down. So your mama is telling na, no, don't go. While walking na, be very careful while walking. Please see the road and then only you walk. Where the algae is there or where the kai is there. Kai means algae. Where the algae is there, don't walk at that place. And mama is telling. And what we are doing in the rainy season, we are buying the shoes, especially for the rainy season. And we are buying the shoes. We are going to the shop and we are telling, Bhaiya, can you give me the shoe? He is asking which kind of shoes you want, what kind of shoes you want. You may answer that for the rainy season I want. So he will give you so that you can walk easily on the algae, on that road, without harming yourself. So what happens when the rain is there? The algae will form. The algae will form in the top of the building or the down of the. See, if you see, we have algae, all these things. Understood? So flora and fauna, it's a kind of where the animal and the species are found out. Okay, flora means the plant species, and fauna means animal. Flora and fauna, where the animals, we have different kind of animal, we have species of animal, we have different kind of plant that we didn't see the plant, it's 100-year back or the 20-year back. So this is flora and fauna. So this is leaves. All of you see in this picture, that green part in the rock or the branch of the tree. All of you observe. It's a kind of algae only. It's a similar to the kai. It's a similar to the kai. It's grow the plant. This you can see. It's grow like a plant. So now we will see the mass movement in the biological. The capacity of the body capacity you holding the notebook is 20 notebook, okay, for per person, and you're holding 40 or 30 notebook. So what happened while walking, you can't balance yourself, okay, you can't hold properly, and for walking it's a very difficult to balance. While it's a very difficult to balance yourself and holding the notebook, 40 notebook at a time, because your capacity is holding notebook is 20, but you are holding 40 or 30 notebook. So what happened that that 10 or 20 or 15 notebook has fallen down, because of the unbalancing, and capacity, holding capacity. So in the mass movement, what happened due to a gravity force? Okay, all of you know what is a gravity. In science, all of you, and in science you have read the chapter what is gravity. In eighth standard also you have read what is gravity. So what happened, because of the gravity, the movement of the rock gets towards, like it's getting moving. The rocks get move towards the downward or upward. Not upward, it won't go upward, it's going downward only because of the gravity. Where it gravity, slope due to a gravity. If it is falling down, it is because of the gravity. What is the gravity law? That everything, if you हम ऊपर उछालते ना, everything, if you toss the thing, if you are tossing the coin na, it will come down only. If you are tossing the coin, it will come down. What is Newton law for gravity force? So whatever things we are tossing, it will automatically come down. So that is gravity. And accumulate, what is accumulate? Once place and it form the new area. Accumulate. So, accumulate. What is accumulate? That we are accommodating you to the new house. We are accommodating to the next we are shifting you to the next class. That 9th A is under construction. We are doing some work in 9th A. Okay. Now we are shifting you 9th A whole class. We are shifting you in the empty class. Okay. So what we are doing? Accommodating. We are moving or we are shifting you to the new class till the work has done. So the hills, the rocks get accumulate near the foothills, near the hills. Okay. So due to a gravitational force, the rocks get moving downward. So what we call for this process? For this process, we call mass movement, because it is moving in the bulk of very heavy. Like it's not 1 kg or 2 kg. Okay, it's moving in a very heavy slide. One sheet we can take as a one sheet. See, this is a mountain, or we can say this is a rock. Okay, it get cracks. So it's not moving only this part, not moving tiny small layer. It's moving. If it get cracks, so how it is get separated? This big part gets separated and it's moving downward. Okay, so that's we call mass movement. This process we call mass movement. In the mass movement, we have two types: rapid mass movement and another one is slow. Rapid and slow. You can take fast and slow or rapid and slow. So what is rapid mass movement? It's sudden movement. You can say suddenly it's happened. You can imagine how it is happened. It takes friction of like within a second. Within a second, so rock fall, landslide, land subslide occur rapidly, and it destroy the more things. The rapid, so the rapid movement, so because of, so through the rapid mass movement, what happened? It get destroyed. Disruptive means it get more destroyed because of the rapid mass movement. The lands also affected. The plants get also affected. The peoples also get affected through the rapid mass movement. So many things get affected, and mineral do not. What happens? So sometimes mineral, sometimes what happens that it won't get downward. Sometimes in rapid mass movement, the rock or the mineral won't get downward, move downward. But what happened is shrink. What happened in shrink? Where this is called stumping. What we call stumping. So you can see the what is mass movement through the landslide. And all of you see the one side of the land has fallen down. And landslide, one side of the, if you see, this is the mountain. Okay, this is the mountain. It's cut from this part. Okay, so we can take as a slide A. Okay, this is a slide A. Okay, it's coming, while it's coming down, it's coming down. The people are living here, plants are there, houses are there. So all these get affected. More, the effect is very disruptive, means it's a very dangerous. It affects the lot of the people. It affects the lot of the people. And what happened? Sometimes it won't move downward. Okay, it won't move downward, but it's shrink in situ. What? In situ. Okay, what we term it is called in situ. So this is called stumping. What is called stumping? So how it is look? So all of you see, this is the part. See, this is the land and its little portion, one slide is moving downward. Or what happened? It gets stumping. Okay. So this is a rapid mass movement. This is rapid